want to round up all of those voters, especially some of the more exotic members in the Republican House caucus.
Exactly, this is great, brother. Yeah, I mean, when Trump won the speakership vote for Johnson, I think that absolutely was the handwriting on the wall, because it was clear that the factious Republicans in the House caucus learned their lesson and understand that they needed unity for Trump. It's hard to overstate the importance of the opening months of the Trump presidency. Remember that in previous years, when people thought there was going to be a permanent shift in the majority under the Republicans, the failure to pass tax cuts early, and Reagan had to come back and get them later, really undermined his capacity to build a permanent base. And Trump can't jumpstart the economy by March or April. He could be in real trouble, but if he does, he doesn't have to do anything else.
Yeah, so putting my economist hat on here briefly, Dick, the economy is in a precipice right now. It looks like the inflation data that came out this week shows that the Fed is not going to be able to reduce interest rates anymore. You see Treasury yields spike. The economy is at risk right now, and if we don't get this done, the animal spirits and expectations of businesses and consumer confidence will collapse, making a recovery for Trump all the harder.
Well, thank you, John. This was wonderful. Still to come, public education should take a leading role in New Jersey. The teachers who can't pass a teaching test. I'll share that story.
You know my secret to having more physical energy and more mental alertness? I take the goodness of 1,000 red grapes packed into this Vinia capsule. Why? Vinia is the remarkable red grape circulation superfood shown in a clinical trial to increase the dilation of arteries. It's a better blood flow. I've taken Vinia every day for over 3 years. Vinia gives me the energy I need to be at the top of my game. Call or go online to get your first month free. Vinia, better blood flow, better life.
According to President Trump, the U.S. dollar is crashing and will no longer be the world's reserve currency, our greatest defeat in 200 years.
Russia no longer uses the U.S. dollar in currency trade. The Chinese yuan has become the most used currency in cross-border payments.
Trump has threatened 100% tariffs on countries that don't trade in U.S. dollars. BRICS countries have increased their gold holdings at a faster rate than the rest of the world. Give Patriot Gold Group a call at 888-528-4290 before it's too late. Patriot Gold Group is Consumer Affairs' top-rated gold and silver dealer 8 years in a row. Home of the No Fee for Life IRA. Call 888